What's up everyone, I'm back after a very long break from posting to bring a new style of content to this channel. For those of you who came to see reviews, don't worry, I'll keep regular reviews coming now in higher quality and in closer detail than ever. But now I've also decided to make package unboxing content too. So in order to make sure you don't miss out on anything, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, as well as the thumbs up and notification bell. That way you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends. Alrighty then, with all that out of the way, let's get into this first package. Ooh. That's just a receipt. So, this is the Marvel Studios first 10 years Mark 7 Iron Man. This is the third package from the first 10 years line that you need to complete the build it image. On the side here you can see that side artwork. I'm just going to take it out of the protective plastic coating here. Oh, this looks great. The Mark 7 is what you used in the Avengers 1 movie. So you can see the Avengers movie poster on the back there. And the nice side artwork. A read up on the Avengers 2012. This looks great. I'm super happy with this one. Add that to my Iron Man collection. Alright. Next package. It's been so long I don't even remember what they all are. I thought that was something else. Okay. Package 2. Big box for a small. Come on. Okay, what do we got here? And it's the MCU Vision from the 2-pack with Wanda. There's only 2 versions of an MCU Vision. One had a cape that was like a lot more floating. This one looks like it's much more stuck down. That was the main difference. And the one was in a 2-pack, and the other one, I think, I don't have my details straight, so I'll go over that in the individual review for this. But I know I got the one where the cape is not all floating around because I didn't like that look. And this is a very well sculpted figure. It's very rare too, hard to come by. Comes with 2 fists, so that's awesome. Yeah, loose because I didn't want to get the Wanda again. I already have a Wanda, so I just got the Vision. For some reason, there's no green on the head. It looks like the head sculpt is silver, and then the body's green. I'm gonna have to check reference images to see if that's how that's supposed to be, but happy with that one as well. Alright, and one package left. This is the big one. This is also the one I'm the most excited for, because I think I do know what this one is. Being extra careful. This is a super sharp razor. I just opened it. It was like brand new out of the package. So this is super sharp. Okay. Oh, this is well packaged. And another Marvel Legends First 10 Years line. Here I've got the 2-pack Yellow Jacket and Ant-Man. I had the first Ant-Man to come out with the Ant-Man 1 movie, but the suit is not actually movie accurate. The helmet's all off and didn't have a Paul Rudd head sculpt. And there's no other way to get the Yellow Jacket, so I didn't mind getting a replacement Ant-Man. And this is the 8th package in the Marvel Studios First 10 Years line to build the image. So I've got the build the image on the side there. I've got a nice movie poster from Ant-Man 1. And this Yellow Jacket is the only release of this guy. It's a unique sculpt. Looks like it doesn't come with any alternate hands, but it comes with a little Yellow Jacket that's painted a little different than the last one I got. And yeah, this is definitely looking awesome in here. I'm so excited to get into this. So I'm going to have individual reviews of all these guys. Stay tuned for those. Remember, subscribe and come back for the next video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.